Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason we promote the $25 business in particular because it has an affiliate program which is 80% recurring income. That means a sale is much more powerful. You know what I mean? If you get a sale with this product, and it's just the most generous affiliate program I have found, period. All right guys, so you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look and see if we got a sale. We did not get a sale, it looks like. We're gonna refresh the page so you guys know that I'm not trying to trick you in any way. All right, looks like we didn't get a sale today, guys, which is totally fine. Not a big deal, not a big deal. So the first thing we're gonna do is get you guys affiliate links, and before I do that, I'm gonna show you the link that I like to use. I like to use here, guys, the link that I use personally. Now, all right, so anyway, to get your links, guys, you're gonna see my descriptions there. Step 1, step 2. You click on step 1, it's gonna take you to a page or something like this. And once you click on this page, basically it's the sales letter for the $25 business, what it is, what it does, some money you can make, blah blah blah, right? And basically it's a funnel builder. And if you know funnel builders, you'll know that the most popular one out there is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 per month. This is $25 per month. The reason they can charge so much is because it's a premium. It's they were the first. You know, they're not necessarily the best, they just the first. Ultimately, there are more that came out that are just cheaper and easier to use. This is the cheapest I found, I think. $25 per month, fantastic deal. And I use it too. It's a pretty good product. Now, the main reason we're here though, so you can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions with the program, guys. Fantastic. And they also get a charity if you're interested in that as well. So anyway, you decide, hey, you want to read this over, try this out. Yeah, yes, I want in, right? Click on yes, I want in, and we here to this page here, and you just put in your first name, like all that good stuff, right? And basically you get down here, you get the product and stuff, and when you get the product, you can promote the product, all right? Just like any other funnel builder out there. Now one cool thing that you can get 14-day free if you use my link, guys, is HBA Premium. That's training on traffic on different websites, how to get clicks and views and stuff on different websites like Facebook ads, Facebook group, YouTube, how to do it all, right? Bunch of other stuff, TikTok and stuff. It's constantly updated, so like rules change and stuff. And by the way, guys, don't buy a course if it's not constantly updated. It's a waste of money, because eventually what they teaching you is not gonna work, you know, because rules change and stuff, and there's new stuff coming out all the time. New programs and whatnot, and all that good stuff. Like TikTok got 10-minute videos they can put up there now, stuff like that. And so rules change, and it might change the algorithm, right? They also have an AI content creation machine that you can use to help you create content. All right, guys. So yeah, you can get all that for free for 14 days. The coolest part is if you get a sale with this program, you keep that $100, guys. It's absolutely fantastic. They'll send it to you. I'll send you the $100, 80% commission, like I said before. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. Now I'm gonna show you the absolute easiest way to promote this product I have found that works. All right, guys. So what you want to do is go to my second link in the description, my lead gen secrets. It's gonna take you to a page or something like this. Now, what is my lead gen secrets? Basically, you get 100 leads a day. You can email once per day. All right, and they all interested in making money. They're a little cold. They cold leads though, so you gotta constantly. But the cool thing about it is that once you get into the program here and get into the system here, right? Once you get in and start pinning your emails, you get all your emails in there that you're gonna use. All right, you just upload an email and in it, you know what I mean? That's the best part about it. Really cool. Now what we're gonna do, since we got so many emails in this system already, we're just gonna pick a email here. Just gonna pick one, click on it, loaded it. All right, and then we're gonna just sit down here. We're gonna see our email is done and ready to go, and we're gonna just hit perfect timing. That's gonna send the email around time people check the emails. We're gonna hit preview, and what preview does is, one, you get to check the link that you use here and make sure the link works, because if the link works, you can't get sales, guys. Make sure your link works. Now second is that I did this so you guys could copy the email if you want to copy the email. So you don't even need to do the ChatGPT. I already done it for you to write some emails that you make. So if you guys want to copy this email, it's totally fine. I don't mind. Go ahead and do it. Perfectly fine. All right, guys. So once you do that, you're gonna send an email. You're done. That's it. That's all you gotta do. You do that every day. That takes 15-30 seconds a day to do. Once you got a bunch of emails in the system, and yeah, you can get some extra income with it, which is fantastic. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. If you want a more profitable, a more work intensive way of promoting this product, I think the most effective way to promote this product is shorts. And you post them on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram right now. Those are the three you post on. Those are the ones that you can really build up a following on and start getting sales off of. Most importantly, YouTube. Most importantly, YouTube, then Instagram. All right, guys, those two for real. Because you get viral on those two sites, you really don't have to worry about money ever again. TikTok, it's easier to go viral, but people don't have as much, like, it's harder to get sales on it. So, like, for example, I tested this. Going viral on YouTube, like, say I get 500,000 views on YouTube. Not only do I get paid more from YouTube themselves, the people who click on the link are most likely gonna buy product. Instagram is very similar to YouTube, not quite as effective, but very similar. 500,000 views on Instagram won't get you as much as YouTube, but it's close. Like, it's close. And TikTok is really in bite behind. The thing about TikTok, it's easier to get 500,000 views, but it also it's harder to get sales with 500,000 views. All right, so yeah, just post on those three sites. Eventually something go viral, you'll make a lot of money. You won't have to worry about money again. All right, guys, that's all it is. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.